This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Please make sure that whether my voice is audible to you all or not. Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So everyone have joined. We will start. On 14 members. Okay. 25 members. Shall we start? So before we start, or before we enter into our Tableau concept classes, so just see some overview. Let's talk about what is Tableau, why we are using all these things. So from your side, you have any idea about that? What is Tableau or why we have to use Tableau?
Sir, it is a software
Hmm. Yeah, tell me, Ma.
which is used to represent data, like in graph.
Yeah, very good. So it's one of a software which is used to represent the data which you have in a table or format of like in Excel sheet or any other database, which is used to represent in the graphical view or in the visualizations. We used to call that what? Data visualization or presenting in a graphical view. So one of a software used to do is so we used to call the technical E as BI, business intelligence tool. Used to basically called as what? BI, business intelligence tool, or else people used to call in one more word also data visualization. Okay, so when I say data visualization, can you say what is data? See, I'll tell you basically when you are doing something, for example, you opened Amazon application, you think, okay, you have opened Amazon app, you are searching for some products, you are searching for some smartwatch or smartphone, you keep on searching for 5-10 minutes. After that, you have closed that particular applications, and you then next you went into Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, just you are watching something on that. Suddenly on the right side you can see the related advertisement which you have seen in that or which you have searched in the Amazon. In a fraction of seconds they would have posted that what you are searching in the Amazon. So this is nothing but it says how fast they track you. So these are everything done by with the help of the data. Okay, these are nothing but called as basically we used to call this as data science. Okay, so let the data be however in whichever format it will be there. So for example, I have a data like this in this format. For example, if I want to say I have one data like this. This is the data, and this data is actually in Excel. It's like in numbers and text. This entire data I can take it into Tableau and I can make it as a data visualization however I wanted for which country. See, for example, here I have order ID, I have products, I have some categories, I have amount, date, and country. So assume that this is a report of a company which is importing exporting company from India. Some of the record, some of the products are exported to other country. That report has been kept it in this place. Having this data set or record, visually I can make them to understand for which country most of the product export, for most of the amount the product has been exported. Is it possible to understand by seeing this how more data means for which country more, for more amount the data has been or product has been exported? By seeing this, is it possible to understand for everyone? See here I have 213 records are there. Seeing this record, is it possible to tell or analyze or take a report saying that for this particular country, this particular product has exported for more amount? Basically, it is not possible. Okay. This will be converted into a small table like pivot table we will do in Excel. Then that will be converted into chart or pivot chart. Then we will say this is what report. But in Tableau, what happens? This and all is not required. When I have data, when I import the data into Tableau software, and just by drag and drop, that means whichever field I want, based on what I'm doing, just by dragging and dropping, I can create a report or I can get a data visualization in a fraction of seconds. So that is nothing but this Tableau view. So now let me show you some example here. See. So can you see a screen here for everyone? My screen is visible here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you say how many letters the nines are there in this? So I think it is little difficult to find out, right? Okay, but now you tell me how many nines are there now?
10, sir.
Very good.
10, sir.
So what is the difference
10,
or
sir.
which made it easier you to count from this one and from this one? Which made it easier to count? Because I have highlighted that particular values which I wanted. Same, this is what Tableau. So when the data set is there, which I wanted, so in the easiest way, I will highlight. That is called as representations, visual representations by color or by size in a different way. So next, I have a small question to you. This may be little difficult. Okay, just go through that. There are 5 houses in 5 different colors. Totally 5 houses are there in 5 different colors. In each house, a person is living with different nationality. Okay. 5 owners drink certain type of beverage and smoke certain type of brand of cigar and keep a certain type of pet. No owners have same pet, smoke the same brand of cigar, or drink the same beverage. So now from this question, sorry, this statement, my question, who owns the fish? So I'll just give 2-3 minutes time. Just can you just think about it? Who will be owning that pet fish? It's a very difficult one, easily can't find out. So next I'll go for this one. You just read this one now. I given a hint here. The Brit lives in Red House. Swade keeps dogs as pets. Dan drinks tea. Greenhouse is on the top of the White House. Greenhouse homeowner drinks coffee. The person who smokes Pall Mall rears birds. The owner of Yellow House smokes Dunhill. Man living in the center of house drinks milk. Norwegian lives in the first house. The man who smokes blend lives next to the one who keeps cats. The man who keeps the horse lives next to the man who smokes Dunhill. I think within I read these things, you have got confused what is going on. But this data set, if it is represented like this, so now you tell me who is owning that pet fish?
House
Who owns
4,
the house
Johnny.
for? Yeah, house for the person who German is owning this particular pet. So this is what the data representations. Let the data will be in whichever format. Actually, what is the special in Tableau? You know, let the data will be in that notepad format. Let the data in Excel. Let the data be in MongoDB. Let the data be in Amazon server or ODBC format. Any data format or any data set that will be easily imported inside the Tableau and automatically it will be analyzed. Whatever, so amount column automatically will be analyzed as amount. Product automatically will be analyzed as a product. You no need to tell Tableau this is what this one, this is what this one. Automatically in a fraction of seconds he will do that everything. So that is what special of that. That and all we will see slowly, we will see one by one. Okay, so now so the small history about Tableau we will see. Then we will see what is the difference between other softwares and Tableau. Especially we will see what is the difference between Excel and Tableau. So first, Tableau was founded in Mountain View, California in January 2003 by Chris Stollett, Christian Chabot and Pat Hanaran. Okay, so actually it's the world's largest organizations which was used in power of data analyzing and how to analyze the data and how to represents the data. And one more words, if you want to say, it allows to spend less time in data analyzing for the customers to spend very less times in the data analyzing and satisfy the customers. Okay. So now just we will pass it this concept here. Okay, have you have any idea about Excel? Anyone? Because Tableau learning is very easy. You no need to have any pre-request. As someone have posted in the group, any pre-request is there? Nothing is there. Easy, very easy. Just drag and drop. Once if you enter into the software, you will come to know how easiest is this. Okay, so that much easy. But before that, I want to know that some of you or any of you have any knowledge about Excel, or all of you have any knowledge about Excel?
No, sir.
Now, if you have any knowledge about Excel, okay. So mostly whenever you ask about Tableau with anyone, they'll be telling that. So it's nearly like Excel also. Okay, I'll tell you why Tableau use better than other softwares. Just an example I'm telling. Just we'll go for this example. Okay. So as already I told you, this is the data what I'm having. Okay. So I'm going to ask you a question here, a small question. Which product most exported to France country? So that is nothing but From here, we have many countries and all here, and date, amount, category, product. Having this large data set, I want to know which particular product I've exported for more to France. How basically other softwares they will do, I will tell you. So here I will select a cell. Okay, select a cell. So who are all working with me simultaneously? Can you just raise your hands? People who are working with me at the same time. None of you? Akila Fatima, Anjana Prasad, Bindu, Chaitra, Prajna.
Yes, sir.
No, just a small clarification. You are working with me simultaneously or not? That's
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
working, right? Yeah, if you
We
are
can
working
have
with,
our own data, right?
yeah, I will only send you the data, or you can have your own data.
Okay.
If you're working, you tell
Okay.
me, I will post that data into our WhatsApp group. All that, whatever working files we are doing, further, whatever in Tableau, whatever data and all, I'm going to use the company data sets. Everything, I will just drop it into the group. You also download it, and we will work together. We'll go together slowly, not an issue. Okay, just I will post it in the group.
Okay,
Have
sir.
the data, download it. Okay. So starting only directly, we will not enter into that Tableau software. First, we should know what is Tableau, why is Tableau. Then we'll do that. So can you just confirm me that whether you have received that file or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So just download it and open the data. Open it in the Excel. Not an issue. I'll tell you because you literally you should know how what is the rows, columns, data set, what is table also. That I will tell you that from the scratch. I will teach you that. Don't worry about that. So just I need a confirmation once you done. Once you opened, just give me a confirmation that we have done. Done, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what you do, you select any one cell in this data set. You select just any one cell. This is called as data set. You just select any one cell. Click on the insert tab in your Excel. If you have Excel. Okay. Then just go for, can you see your 3D maps on the right side?
Yes, sir.
Just click on this 3D map. So that tool basically it makes your system slow little. You got any pop-ups for you? Any map has been opened for you on the right side? Like this, you got anything? So once
No,
if I
sir.
click, I will get like this. Okay. So now on the right side, you see the portion, this portion, okay, layer portion, or we can say it as a field area also. The location, they are given the word here location, right? So here I added country. Automatically it has taken the country. And next here, height. Just click on this add field. Amount, I wanted to be presented in the height. Like this. And then select category and take products. Like this will get. And then time, you click and add the date to the time field. So automatically the time will be added here. Now on the right side, can you see here? You make it into different chart type. And here map labels is there. See, just click on the map labels here. So already we have which are the countries we have exported that items. Automatically that particular chart has been developed in that particular country. United Kingdom, Germany, France, like this. And now on the right side, I can change this visualization. Can you see this? Change the visualization to heat map, or change the visualization to bubbles like this. Can you see this view now? Where and all it has been highlighted like this. France, this much of amount on this date. Germany, this much of amount from this date to this date. If you stuck anywhere, please tell me. Let me know if you're stuck anywhere.
Sir,
And
can you teach
even,
me once again, sir? My
yeah,
lap
from,
piece is hanging a lot.
yeah, this I told you first only. This will hang your system slow. Slightly, not that much. Okay. So now just take this data, means because once you open that file, you'll be having data like this. This is a pivot concept of Excel. You just take the concept, the data, you take it up, copy to a new sheet. Press here, take a new sheet, paste it. Aram do it. Then just select one cell, click on insert, click on 3D maps. Because I already done, now I'm getting this new one. So I'm going to with a new tour. Click. Now, is it okay for everyone? You're getting this? Okay. So actually what I'm coming to try to say in Excel, most of you have told you Excel is a data analyzing software, data entry or data analyzing software. We say Excel is a data analyzing software. In Excel itself, you can see how many processing procedures are there to get some data as a visualization effect, to get that particular record into one data set into one visual effect. These are the procedures are there. So once the same thing, if you do in Tableau, you will feel like something different. So awesome. Like one drag and drop, you will get everything easily. So that's what I'm making to understand you the differences And even you should know little bit here also. So now once if it is open on the right side, location country you select, that this one by default it would have been added. And next go for height. Height I will choose for amount. And down category I'll choose it for product. And then time I'll go for date. So it comes in this view. And the data visualizations I will change. Only I have here 5 visualizations in this place. I will go for this region size, which are the countries I'm having. See, where and all I'm having blue or apple, banana are in this color, beans are in this color, broccoli, carrots, mango, like this. Like this. Map labels I'll give here, so that places the map, means which are the places. So to get this one visual effect, I took this much of time to represent for my customers or whomever. And finally, if I play this, I'll get this video how the data are getting changed. And if I make it here also like this. So once again I'll play, you see. This is that visualizations. For which date here, start timings, how the data are getting increased and decreased. And for each and everything, I can say United States amount is 95,601, sorry, 61, banana on 16th December 2016. So this is one part how the data visualization can be done in the Excel. The same thing will be done very easy in Tableau. So you're getting that how to do that in the Excel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now just I shown a demo that how long processing is there in other software. It's a demo when I do in other any softwares, what is the procedures are or how much time it takes for just giving a representations. But now we will see later we will see how Tableau makes the work simplifies. Before that, I'll just go to Tableau inside deep. So Tableau is nothing but a data first data is nothing but called as BI tool. Tableau is one of a BI software, business intelligence tool. And in Tableau, that one more thing is nothing but called as what? Data science. What is data science means? That is nothing but also can be called as what? Data set. So data set means in one more word, it is called as records. Let the records be in any format. As I told you already, let the records be in that Excel or Notepad or WordPad or in any other formats, that data can be automatically recognized by the Tableau. What type of data and for how it has to be categorized, everything will be automatically analyzed by the Tableau software. Okay, so that is nothing but data science, data records. And next, one more thing very important in this Tableau is Vizcule. So in Tableau, we use a tool called as Vizcule. So that is nothing but what you know, SQL, you know, heard about a software called as SQL, structured query language. Same like that. This is one of a tool called as Vizcule. It's a very important software or it's important tool which is used in Tableau. What that actually Vizcule tools means, it generates queries internally. Vizcule generates that query internally. And one more thing, Vizcule knows that what type of data it is. Vizcule knows what is the data type or data table we have. Automatically the Vizcule is a one of a tool, best important tool which is used in the Tableau, which automatically analyzes what type of data it is. And that particular Vizcule works with the help of ETL. So it works in the process based of ETL process. What is this ETL means? That is nothing but stands for extract, transform, and load. So Vizcule is one of our tool which is used in the Tableau. Okay, this is used to generate the query internally, and it is used to analyze what type of data it is, and it is used to extract and transfer and load the data. That ETL processing, once if you work in the Tableau, I'll show you that how that ETL is processing, how it is happening. I will show you that. Practically, I'll show you that. Okay, and even Tableau automatically generates all the connectors, means it will be preloaded. What are the connectors are there? Basically, all the connectors will be preloaded in the Tableau. If anything are not preloaded, that can be separately loaded with the help of the connectors. But basically, all the connectors will be loaded in the Tableau. For example, ODBC connectors. So that is, but with the help of that other which is not there, but something database which is not given in the Tableau by default, that type of data can be imported inside the Tableau with the help of the ODBC connector. Other data source, whatever it is there, it can be connected with the help of the ODBC connector. Is that clear what I'm telling here? Anyone have any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in what is with? Okay, so now next I want to make you to clear who are all can just take this course. Before I'm telling Miss, before I'm starting this, I want to make sure that who can do this power, the Power Intelligence tool, that is nothing but called as business. Tableau can be learned by the business analysts and who want statistics and analytics expert, and who are all the project managers or who are the data scientists. Everyone can do this course. It will be helpful for them. Okay, and now inside the Tableau we have many 5 different categorical versions of Tableaus, but first here I'm going to show you 3. One is Tableau desktop version, and one more is Tableau server, or one more is Tableau public. Okay, I'll say you that what is Tableau desktop. It is a single user license mode where a one person can work, and you can import a data, export, save, or data visualization, exporting, everything can be done in individual's laptop. Server is nothing but at a time, once I have done whatever changes I do here, who are all connected together into that one Tableau server. For example, I have done some changes in that Tableau server, so where others also can see that. Once if they change, even I can see that. Server is nothing but where we all together connected together with one software. And next, public, it is open source one. It is open source. So the issue with the public, it is same like this, like desktop server only. The problem, you cannot save the work files. So whatever you have done, you just load the data inside the public version. You do whatever the visualizations you want or whatever the changes you want. But the problem, you can't save that. It will be saved in the online. Means it's a cloud source. You can do it only in the online. It will be saved in that place only. You can't take a backup to your computer. You can't save that work files to your local computer. That is a problem when you work with a public version.
Sir, desktop.
Yeah, so desktop is nothing but client based, we can say, where you can download it, we can import it. Okay, so in the format of TWB or TWBSX, anything. So Tableau extension will be like TWB, and server based is multi-license. So in the companies, mostly they'll use big companies, server edition. Why? Because server means what? Basically what? The devices which are connected together from one license I have purchased. I am sitting in my home and I want to update in my something in my Tableau. Okay, from sitting there, I will log into the server Tableau. I will do the changes that will be made at here. Whoever they want, for them separately, the server Tableau login username password would have been given. They can log in from sitting wherever they wanted. They no need to go to the server itself. They let them sit it into place wherever they want. They log in by username password. They will make the change or they will update the data. So that will be reflected to everyone. Being in sitting in one place, you can make the changes wherever you wanted. So that is nothing but called as Tableau server edition. And public, we can't download it. That means whatever you do it in the online. You can't save it into the computer. It will be saved in the online itself, means cloud based itself. Is that clear for everyone? Okay, so now next, all of you have internet connection, right? Means best internet connections. Means anyone out there like I'm working from hotspot, like that means I hope to not do now, right now. Do it later after the class. Okay. So now let's see how to download Tableau. Okay. First step to download Tableau is sign in with your Google or any other account. Where means open browser, sign into your mail ID. Any mail ID that you want, you sign in. Done. I hope you all of you are already signed in. Means you will be already having a mail account. You would have signed in. Now I'm signing in. First, you do it this process one. Okay. Is it done? So next, you take a new tab. Type Tableau. You are getting right. You are in this screen for correct. You are in this screen or not right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you see Tableau desktop, Tableau online, Tableau public students? I'll go for this Tableau software, or you can go for this Tableau desktop also. Go to just enter into this screen. Who are not reached to this screen, I will send you the URL. I have posted the link, the URL in the group. Just by clicking on that, automatically you will be redirected to this particular website. Done? Directed to this particular website. Now, just click on this start free trial. Now, just click on this. Anyone mic is on? Because whatever I'm talking, I can able to hear again that back. Its voice is echo. So please confirm you are in this screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just mention your business mail ID. That is nothing but what mail ID you want or what you have signed in this place. And just click on download free trial. We are using desktop version right now. We are not going to do public and server also you're not going to do. We are going to work the entire session in the desktop version itself, not in any other versions. And what are the required documents, everything I will give you in the group itself. For each and every sessions, what is that data set you have to use, I will give you in the group itself. Now I clicked on the download free trial. So how much MB it is getting downloaded for you? Anyone tell me what is the software size? Anyone? Are you here? I'm not getting any responses. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll
Sir,
take
it's
attendance.
478 megabytes.
MB. Okay, good. So it's nearly 478 MB of software size will be there. So is it okay for you to download right now, or is it, you will do it later? For me, it is almost over.
We'll do it later, sir.
Yeah. If it's taking more time, do it later. Not an issue. Okay. It's okay, sir. In 1 or 5 or 10 minutes, it will be get downloaded. 2-3 minutes, it will be done. Means we will do it. So I
Yeah,
have
sir.
downloaded
Just
Tableau.
wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, okay. I'll wait for it. Tableau desktop 64-bit 2021.exe file has been downloaded. Okay, 1 minute swap over. It's there in the place of downloads. I kept this one here. So this will be for trial for 14 days. Okay. So we will start the installation for this software at 5:20 or 5:22 like that. Take 5 minutes break. Let it be keep on downloading. Have some snacks and come back at 5:20 or 5:22 like that. We will start the installation. Okay. So anyone have any issues in downloading the software? Means, sir, I'm not able to reach that website also. Is there anyone like that? If anyone there, let me know.
No, sir, we got it.
Got it right. Because it's very easy. Basically, you know very well about internet, how to use internet. And this, you don't have any long procedures and all. Very, very short procedure. So just today, we'll be seeing just how to download, what is how to install and what is Tableau, basic how things. working with the files and internally how to work out with the Tableau software, with the layouts and all will be starting by next class. The layouts, what is that? Portions, what is dimensions, what is measures, okay, what is connectors. So all these things we'll be doing it tomorrow. And next class like be how to import data and how to work based on questions as per some management or from company questions will be there, right? Based on a question how to work out that and all we will come to know. So before that, and we use Excel simultaneously for Tableau also, okay, which because makes you better to understand the Tableau in a easier method. Okay, if you don't know, it's not a problem. I will tell you what and all you have to do, how to compare that. So make sure that you have Excel also in your laptop. If you don't have that, download that also, install our trial version for 2 months. Okay, now shall we start the installation? Everyone's got downloaded.
Yes, sir.
So now I do right click here, or you can do double click also. I just click on open. So once if I start install, this will be my first screen. Tableau desktop. Welcome to Tableau. You are getting this screen. Here in this place, just you have to accept the license and terms of agreements. And below, can you see option called as don't send product usage data. So if you want, you can enable that. That's a small information about that, whether they track you or not. So I don't want to give this one. Next, I'll click on this place, install. So once I click, one more pop-up message is coming. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So Tableau and the version has been given and verified software, all the details has been given. So now I'll give it as yes. So that is nothing but it is taking my system administrative rights to install that particular software. This will take a little bit time. So can you see this Microsoft ODBC driver is getting installed? So it's taking some time. By the time, just I'll show you some keywords or nodes. Just go through that once. Just I'll tell you that once. What is that? Okay, you can just take a pic of this. So let me know once you're done. Finally, I'll send you this PPT also, but as of now, you take a pic of this one. Done? Please respond. Anyone you start to respond.
Done, sir.
Be the person who friend one respond, automatically others will respond. So you're stucking who has to first respond. Okay, now why Tableau we use? So Tableau is nothing but used to access multiple data connections. Tableau connects easily to nearly any data source. I told be it corporate data warehouse, Microsoft Excel, or web database. Let it be any type of data. Tableau will connect with the very easiest way. In very easily, he will analyze and he will connect with that. And live analysis, one more advantage in the Tableau. So Tableau allows you to connect your data live and perform various analysis on it. So what is that live means? You can just connect. You can you have seen this polling method, vote polls analysis, right? When just one person has voted, automatically keep on increasing. You can see this Tableau concept mainly in the television concept. When the persons are voting, automatically you can see on the screen, the live screen, you can see when they vote, the increasing, decreasing will be done. So that also will be done by the Tableau. Okay, so it is nothing but called as live analysis. Mostly, as I told you that television side, the data analysis will use Tableau software, this especially this one. Okay, and then maps. So most tools, what are they used to load the maps or any other works, anything to do, nothing is separately required. Okay, so here map tools requires an extreme amount of work to make map data works correctly. Tableau made it pretty seamless. How means all the maps are preloaded here. What maps you want, which country you want, what border you want, everything are preloaded. Like separately, you no need to download or install any maps. Everything or all the countries, everything are by defaultly added. Depth, state, like street, state, country, union, like everything are added here by default. Next, so basically I have shown that three things: desktop, public, and server. But here separately something is called as Tableau Reader, which is used to read only the Tableau files. It's a free application. You can view any files, Tableau files or workbooks. You can read it. Okay, and Tableau Online is nothing but which is hosted by the cloud based on the SaaS version of SaaS. You can take this Tableau Desktop is an authorizing publishing tool that used to create shared views. Tableau Server. Tableau Server is a business analytics that can scale up to thousands of users. It's mainly designed to publish, store, schedule automatically, refresh on the web. So as I told you, automatically it will be loaded on the web from wherever you want. You sign in, you log in, you make your changes. And Tableau Online is hosted in the cloud version of SaaS. And next, Tableau Public is a free of product Tableau, which is allowing visualization enthusiasts to play with the data with some restrictions. So now Tableau started to work. So can you see that automatically the screen is coming? I not did anything. Automatically Tableau started to work, and it's professional edition what I'm working right now. and Tableau is a pre-public. As I told you, here I not given the important key of that public version. No, you can note it down. When you use public version, whatever that you are doing, the visualizations or output, whatever you're getting, you can't download it to your local computers. You can't save it, or you can't take a backup of it out of that website. That you have to remember. Tableau Reader is just to read the TWB files or TWBX, that workbook files. So now see whoever done installation with me, you're getting this particular screen. Start trial now. Activate with product key. Activate by signing into a server. Okay. So now we will just enter into the trial mode. Just click on start with trial. But one more thing, you can have a doubt. So trial version you are teaching, there will be some restrictions in that. That means nothing. You can use Tableau for 14 days without any restrictions. There will be no restrictions when I do that. It says purchase license to use this tool. Nothing like that in this place. Okay. So without any restrictions, full software you can use for 14 days. Okay. So next, this will be your first screen. Once you're installing this, so shall I close the background one, because I think it may not visible for you properly, the installation screen. Okay, I hope now it will be better. The first name, you give whatever you want. Last name, and email. So I am giving some, you give your own name also, because that names and all I use for previous classes, other classes and all. Okay, so for you I'm giving a different name. You can give any name you want. And mail ID is what you have used to download the software. Please give that mail ID here. Which mail ID you mentioned to download this Tableau version, give that one, it is better. So just fill this basic information. Okay, so you need to no need to give the exact information. So these and all you can give however you want. Give mail ID exact one what you're saying used to download the software. Remaining you just give however you wanted. Done. Let me know once you are done.
Excuse me, sir.
Just tell me, ma.
What are we supposed to put for organization?
You give your college name or you give us NACT.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Right. Any others have any doubts? So next, now I'll give us register. So my registration is completed. Okay, you can start using this product. Continue. Yeah. Now you're getting this one. This will be the first screen of your Tableau software. So left side you see, you will be having an option called as connect. You can connect any type of data, as I already told you. It can be a Excel or a text file or JSON file, Microsoft Access or a PDF or a spatial file, statistical, more, anything. Okay, to a server, like you can connect Tableau with a SQL server or MySQL server or Oracle or Amazon or anything like this. So why Tableau is the one of a top data visualization or business intelligence tool means, this is the reason the screen why you are seeing it, means what you are seeing here. This is the reason why it's one of a top business intelligence tool, because you no need separately anything else. Everything are preloaded. Any type of connectors you want, it is available here in this place. SAP HANA, Oracle, MySQL. Okay, so anything. What are the Google Drive, Google Sheets? Something you not heard about that also before. Everything will be given by default. And files also, you can take what type of, let it be any type of file you can take. So now basically the default file of extension of a Tableau file will be .twb. So default extension of Tableau file or Tableau work. Okay, so that one I'll show you basically what are the difference are there here. So can you see? Basically, can anyone first tell me what is extension? Who knows about what is extensions? What is the use of the extension? No? No idea? Okay. I'll tell you. Extension used to decide what type of file it is and through which software the file has to be opened. So the extension only will decide. For example, when I have some file in my computer, when I'm doing double click on that particular file, So if I assume that I have a video on my desktop, when I double click on that video, automatically it is playing with VLC media player. How that computer knows it has to play with VLC media player means each and every file has a extension. So any file you take, just right click on the file, you go for properties, you can see something called as .xlsx. So it is the extension of an Excel file. So when I do double click on that file, how automatically it is open through Excel software means whenever we are installing a software, for example, I am installing VLC media player in my computer. When I installing VLC media player in my computer, that particular software will give a database to my computer or my operating system. Computer in case that VLC is giving a small database or resume to my operating system saying that here I am there to help you out. I can able to handle the files which are ends with .mp4, .mp4, mp3 like that. It will give a database to the Microsoft Windows. That means operating system. When tomorrow, when I do double click on any file, so then operating system will see what is the extension of the file. So when I do double click, that will see what is the .mp3 or .mp4. It will see this extension. When it is like mp4, operating system will see the person who can handle .mp4 files who are there with me. VLC will come. Okay, automatically operating system will move that particular file to VLC media player. From there, VLC will play that particular file. Is that clear? What is the extension? Anyone have any doubts? In the same case, when I have a video, but I have installed VLC, MX player, and two other players. When I double click, all videos, so for example, if it is having .mp4, my operating system will get confused through which software the file has to be opened. That time, it will give us the list of the suggestions. It is saying choose which player you want to make it as default or for opening just once. What you will do, you will double click on a video, you will choose one player and play it once or all time. So then the software will be played. That video will be played. So why? Because operating systems will not decide on themselves to which software it has to open. So that it is giving the choice for on our side. Okay, so that's what simply we can say in one word. The extension decides that what type of file and through which software it can be opened. TWB, any files that ends with .twb means it's a Tableau workbook file. Any file it ends with .twbx, then it is called as Tableau packaged workbook. Any file ends with that .tds, that it is Tableau data source file. So please confirm me that. Is it clear for everyone what is extension? Because any software you
Yes,
learn
sir.
or further, extension is very important. You should know how the file is getting saved. Tomorrow, when you go to any other computer, when there is no required software to open the particular file, you should know what is the extension, how can I open that, what software is required to open that. Okay, so next one, you take a photo of this or pick of this one. And next, .tde, that is nothing but Tableau data extract. I already told. Okay, ETL, extract, transform, load, processing, right? In on that based like that, not on same that on based on that concept, it will come like as a .tde. And next, Tableau bookmark. So that is nothing but called as TBM. And next, the final one is Tableau preferences. That is nothing but called as .tps. So these are the extensions are available in Tableau. By default, this will be the file. You can save it in whichever format you want. For example, you are sending for others as a workbook, as a packaged, so that where readers and the main workbooks other data sets, everything will be one package. You're sending as a one suitcase, you think, one zip file like that. Then you can take as a package workbook. How you are going to send them? So you can save the file in this format however you want it. Is that clear? Okay, now so we are working on the Tableau, right? In this place, some data sets I will give you. The data set which is already will be there like this. Can you see a data set like this here? Superstore. I have that data also. A Excel file will be there. Okay, that Excel file only we are going to import inside that. I'll tell you that what is this connect. Okay, and what is this Tableau server, all this I'll be telling this, what is this interfaces, everything detailing one by one we will go that. Okay, now as of now when you're starting the class, make it like before we start the class 5 minutes only you start off, you open Tableau software and keep it like that, because after that it may make your system slow or not responding like that. It happens, it will be a problem. Before only you open it, then you join the meeting. I think it will be better. So the system which is having less than 4 GB RAM, okay, or less processor will slightly hang. It will not process that much. Means the performance will be not that much. Okay. So as of now, I will close this one right now. Okay. So one more file I'm going to send you in our group. So we will start soon on working on this one. First, we will work on this one of file, Excel file. That file I load it to you. Download it and keep it in one place. All the files, whatever I'm giving, the data sets, please make a folder by name, Tableau or whatever you want. Keep it in that one place. Be required the downloaded file also. Why? Because after 14 days, again we need to reactivate with a different mail ID. Okay, that license will be expired. We have to sign out, and again we have to sign with a different mail ID. So that let us have. So that what happens again, we no need to download one more time. So just make a backup. Once the class is over, please download it. Slowly you download it, keep it in your desktop or wherever you want in a folder. You safely keep it that file. So have you received that file, whatever I sent the Excel file in the group? Have you received?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So just I'll take a attendance now. Please just say present or any words. Akila Fatima.
Present, sir.
Okay, if I pronounce your name slightly different, don't mistake me. And next, Akshata,
No problem.
Present, sir.
Anjana Prasad,
Present, sir.
Binduji,
Present, sir.
Chaitra V,
Present, sir.
and then Deep Prajna,
Yes, sir, present.
Harmain Jara. Am I right? Present or absent? Harmahin Jara. You're unmuting your mic, but I can't able to hear
She's
your
on
voice.
connectivity.
Yeah, I think some issues with that. Okay. You just, if you have any issues with your mic or any connectivity issues, drop the messages in the chat box. Not an issue. I'll mark your attendance. Okay. Manavi Tanwar,
Present, sir.
Manvi or Manavi.
Manavi Tanwar, sir. Manavi.
Yeah. Maria Purnima Shilpa.
Present, sir.
Okay. Meghana S.
Present, sir.
Yeah. Pooja Jaiswal.
Present, sir.
Sanjana Loga.
Present, sir.
Sharik Dawood. Am I right?
Present, sir.
Samita Duta. If I pronounce slightly different, you tell me that what is actual name. I'll try to use
Sir, Smita. Sir, I'm present.
Samita present. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sultana.
Present, sir.
This name already heard. I know this very well. Varshika.
Present, sir.
Vibahin.
Present, sir.
Very good. All of you are present today. So 18 people. Only this much or anyone missing? Who's the coordinator for this batch? No one is there, like no one is coordinator here.
Sir.
So all of you are coordinator only then. Okay, though next class don't miss it out. Okay, we will start working into the Tableau. Okay, so now when we start to understanding what is Excel and what is Tableau, words will describe you or will make you less understandings. Actually, what is that means? Once if you enter inside that working scenario, automatically will come to know what is that actually, how easy it is. I may give more build up. It is very easy than the other softwares. It's like this, like that, and all. But once if you work with the files, then you will only come to know why and why. What is the difference between other softwares and these softwares? And be ready from tomorrow. Daily, you will be having assignments. So today, if I take classes, tomorrow you have to submit your assignments. So that please download the software, keep it ready. Files, what is the assignment you have to do? The questions, end of the class I will give. And before starting the next class, I will check out all your assignments, or else I will only check it out and I'll give a report what are done right or wrong like that. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
before that,
Excuse
downloading
me,
and
sir.
yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, do we have daily classes or only till Saturday, sir?
No, ma. Okay. That information is not given, huh? It is given, right?
Monday
In
to
the group.
Friday, right?
Yeah, Monday to Friday we have classes. I think Friday is holiday.
Okay, sir.
Friday is holiday. Tomorrow you have class, again Friday holiday, and next classes will be on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Is that okay? So don't take leave. So that Friday is holiday, so we'll take tomorrow leave. Anta. Please attend tomorrow classes. So tomorrow we will start the practical works. Okay. And very important will be that. So how to import the data we will learn in the next classes. So now just a small confirmation. Is that clear what are we have covered as of today now? Until now, whatever we have covered, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, I want the answers to be like this. Very good. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet at the same timing like 4:30. Okay. Okay, means you have to say opposite. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Okay, we will meet tomorrow next class. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yes.
you.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Akshata Ashika.
Sir, Akshata is present, sir.
What happened to you, ma? This much time you are not present, huh?
I told you the attendance, sir. I think you couldn't hear.
Okay, no issue, no issue. Just I'll mark it as you are present. Okay.
Okay.
One
Thank you,
second,
sir.
1 second. I'll just if it is a meeting issue, if you're not joined the meeting means it would have been not taken. I'll check it out. Akshata, right? So no issue. I will mention your name here.
Yes.
Okay, you just remind me the first class you are present on the 18th. Okay.
I joined late, sir.
Okay, okay. Just I'll make your name. 18th August 21. Akshata, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If the attendance when I'm making a confirmation, if you're not your name is not mentioned for the 18th of August, you just tell me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.